So in critique of the limitations of Erikson's theory, Erikson's theory makes many assumptions. In the case of stage 7, there is the assumption of the developed career and family. In a broader perspective, the theory is limited to cultural normativity. So while the 8 stages work well as a skeletal outline of perspective on the lifespan, it is by no means encompassing or universally applicable. But it does help us break up the lifespan and have a more concrete way of looking at the lifespan. And I did already mention the limitations of Peck's theory. A little bit of chauvinism written into that stuff. But as we've heard also, there's a bit of chauvinism written into the identity of midlife crisis as well. So in gratitude to the amazing authors who have put time and energy into their works cited that helped me with this presentation, deep love and gratitude to my friend Debbie for allowing the sharing of her life story and sharing it with me. And thank you for listening.